And just for my family, yes, here I am, folks. Specialist Hansen on duty. Wait a minute. What's going on here? This is the treatment tent. This is where I've been working. No, did I say shirking? No, I mean working. And the whole world will know. Let's see. At any rate, this is where I've been for a while, and this is the flood of 2001. And I was here. And it's my voice that you hear, and I hope that you've enjoyed. I hope you've enjoyed your time with us. Well, this is an ambulance over here. There's the ambulance right in back of me. That's where we take the sick and the wounded. Thank God we haven't had any. Now, down this way, that's where all the action is, of course. The flood. Over there we have some city workers inspecting the dike. Thank God they're here. Everybody's working 12s. And we hope that we hope nothing happens. This is the Redpanther signing off.